So, my lord, he has, my lord, sprayed the entire thing with the entire Instagram. That is subsequent event.
Nothing of it.
But that's the allegation that after having, my lord, this sort of, my lord, photographs, the gentleman has, my lord, made it viral through his Instagram. That's the allegation in his article. The unfortunate, see the village girl.
No, that I understand, but court is not a village court.
No, শেখ ওমর ফারুকের ছেলে মোহাম্মদ হারুন আভি দাস নামে ফেক ফেসবুক প্রোফাইল ও মিস তানিশা 68 নামে ইনস্টাগ্রাম অ্যাকাউন্ট খুলেছিল।
For the response 7 and 8.
We saw the petitioner. Are both Kolol Basus were there in this matter.
Everybody except the petitioner is present.
কি হলো?
Automatically there. Charge submit হয়ে গেছে।
এই তো আসছে।
But because that,
ব্যবস্থা নাও, ব্যবস্থা কি বলবো আমি?
ও বাবা।
Yes,
শিকারে আছে।
আমি তো private respondent।
সবকটা রেসপন্ডেন্ট রয়েছে কিন্তু একমাত্র তুমি ছিলে না।
you were supposed to submit a report, Mr. Banerjee.
Charge submitted হয়ে গেছে।
Correction করা না। I'm sorry, my lord, this is addressed to the government. You should kindly forgive that.
When did you file the charge sheet? Charge sheet was 13/12/2023. You have filed the charge sheet. So if you are not finding these two persons, why are you not submitting the report praying for proclamation and attachment?
As far as the finding account,
Second page of the report,
রিপোর্ট পেলি করতে গিয়ে
third page of the report,
নিচ্ছি দেখুন।
তুই অ্যাকিউজ রিপোর্ট পাবে কি করে?
আমি আর নিইনি তো, দেখছি তো।
দেখছিস একই ব্যাপার।
the paragraph starting that during investigation, this part is all right. This part I'll see later. But so far as the next paragraph, investigating officers several times tried to arrest the respondent number 8 and 10, so and so, but they absconded from their house.
you should come to the paragraph at present.
So where is Nijamuddin and Uttam Manna?
And now
Yes, sir.
yes, at present the FIR name the accused person Tariq Ahmed, son of Shwanso, number 2 Sheikh Nizamuddin, the other number 3 on 18th and the 12th February they've taken bail. Accused Uttam Manna surrendered to the court on 7/10, so they've all round. The writing is wrong, but they should have written that in the
Yes, Mr. Bhattacharya, what they have already surrendered. If you want to get the bail cancelled,
No, I am not on that. But my only concern was the investigation. People ought to be satisfied with the report. I have not seen the report.
no, I have restricted on two issues. One is this regarding the involvement of Muhammad Harun. So far as Harun is concerned, where did his name transpire?
That is the duty of the investigation.
No, but the lady has not, the victim girl has not said in her 164 and 161 statement. So how do you draw the complicity?
No, Milord, he has sprayed the entire thing with the entire Instagram. That is subsequent event.
nothing of it.
That's the allegation that after having this sort of photographs, the gentleman has made it viral through his Instagram. That's the allegation in his article. That part has to be.
Where have you made that allegation? Where have you made the allegation?
But I have made the allegation before the investigating agency.
Where? By who? By way of what? Which document shows that?
লিখিতভাবে দিয়েছি বুঝেছো? Yes, I am told you 161 statement. This was of the mother of the victim, father of the victim.
Where is that? Have you enclosed that?
That is not in my petition. No, they can produce it.
No, why? Sir, under the POXO Act, you see section 25.
Yeah. They are entitled, but they are not aware of the proceedings. The unfortunate see the village girl.
No, that I understand, but court is not a village court.
No, well, let them produce this. Well, we are interested, Bilod, to see that the offending persons are really taken care of, nothing else.
Lord, may I say this? Despite several opportunities to inform where in the social media is available, nothing will be found on the social.
Can you both find it?
I'll tell you what the initial complaint was.
কোথায়? Page কত?
7, Tariq was the one who was the principal actor. 8 is his brother. Initially, it was he had done the upload, but there are 164. He's made a co-SP in the incident. 9 is supposed to be the person from whose phone was supposed to have been used to upload this. Not responsible, but whose phone was used. But nothing has been traced so far. They could not provide anything. 10 was the person who provided the room. So 10 is not. So everybody excepting 9, we could not get involvement of.
Bilod, without interrupting Mr. Banerjee, my lord's query, I have to satisfy. Kindly turn to page 36 of the petition. No, I have given detail in my representing the police. শেখ ওমর ফারুকের ছেলে মোহাম্মদ হারুন আভি দাস নামে ফেক ফেসবুক প্রোফাইল ও মিস তানিশা 68 নামে ইনস্টাগ্রাম অ্যাকাউন্ট খুলেছিল মোহাম্মদ হারুন।
Mr. Bhattacharya, this is addressed to the district magistrate, not to the IO. See the top
That is not addressed to
district magistrate.
district magistrate, yes.
So what will it, if it is not the authority?
Now, my complaint was also that against the investigating agencies. Now let them not look into it. That we have no quarrel against any individual, but this sort of the persons in the society should be taken
No,
care of.
that I understand, but then
Therefore, let them
What-
investigate this part of it.
so that somewhere something is missing. One thing you do, Mr. Banerjee, you ask your investigating officer, since they have a right to have the documents, which are the documents
Yes.
the investigating officer would be relying upon in order to prove it.
One is, let them also disclose from where allegation make that Instagram handle this is available. There,
That we shall also, I shall help them. Cooperate with them to that extent.
despite
Go to the
several
Appropriate
requests, they have could not give us. So that is the reason. No, I have filed charges against everybody. Why would I try to say one whole? But I could not get the involvement of any whole. Because this Instagram, nothing could be found about.
Somebody is advising them, why are they communicating with the district magistrate in a police investigation?
He'll advise. He'll advise me that I am prompted to say that the investigating agency doesn't accept anything.
So then give it to the SP.
But they thought he should. They thought DM is the authority.
Give it to the SP. I could have-
Hierarchically ought to have gone before the SP. But unfortunately, this is.
Kindly takes my report.
All right, what I am doing, Mr. Bhattacharya, I am granting you leave to file an application under section 173(8) of the CRPC
Very well.
before the
Before the
jurisdictional court. Because the critic complaints here and there,
Would not help anybody. That's the problem.
neither the investigating officer will be able to understand. Number one. Number two, once you write something before a court of law,
That will be taken care of.
not only care of, then the officer is bound to answer chronologically regarding the
I would follow my last kind advice. Kindly let them supply me a copy of the report which has been filed for lottery. So that we
yes,
can, yes. Did they?
relation.
Authorized copy, the authorized copy.
এই না, তোমার তো মাত্র। আমার তো
এটা ছাপ্পা মারা আছে।
So not to the accused persons, only to the
It
complainant.
has been given to the accused. Now,
Acha,
speak on it.
report submitted aid
Good.
on behalf of the state. We kept
না
in
না
the record.
7 and 8
হে, আসল লোক।
আসল লোক যারা করেছে
এটা বাচ্চাটাকে তুলতো কেন?
Petitioner has preferred the
What look
present
into it?
investigation being aggrieved by the act and action of the investigating agency
এটা তো
as they
এখানে।
complain that
ও,
a
অবশ্য
particular person has been purposely left out by the investigating agency. To that effect, state submitted aid that no clue of evidence could no clue of evidence faced against the said person against whom who is the petitioner, mother or the girl
The
herself?
mother of the
Acha, acha, against who? কি বললাম?
No, it's meter.
The mother of the victim girl has approached
মার নামটাও মার নামও কাটে
this court. Full stop. A representation has been made to the district magistrate. However, a representation made to a district magistrate may not be communicated to the investigating officer of the case for addressing the grievance. Having considered the issue which has raised which has raised dissatisfaction in the mind of the complainant, I grant liberty to the complainant to approach the learned special court with a prayer for further investigation under the relevant provisions of section 173(8) of CRPC or section 193(9) of the BNSS.
We have already kept everything in memory. Yes. It's very difficult.
Every Saturday, Sunday, we have got to attend some college, some police institution, some sexual
Academic exercise.
I keep a comparative chart next to my table. Comparing constant.
It's required, sir. It's required. At this age, it's very difficult to.
করে দেবে
And first thing goes to the CRTC and I.
That's a comfort zone for the last 30 years. Thank you, William. Full stop. Needless to state that such application must specify the details regarding the person and the issue relating to grievance, particularly the complainants' dissatisfaction for non-performance by the investigating agency. Full stop. If such an application is
মানে হয় না তো
brought to the
কপি হয়েছে
is filed before the learned special court, learned special court will dispose of such application within a period of 45 days of filing of the same. With the aforesaid observations, WPA number 24330 of 2024 is disposed of.
না তো অসম্ভব
Reports are submitted by the state
অভ্যেস হয়ে
with
গেছে
the record.
কতগুলো সেকশন কতগুলো প্রসিডিওর এখন সে নতুন করে
হ্যাঁ,
জিজ্ঞেস করে আর
আমি যেগুলো সারাক্ষণ আমাকে comparative
We kept
chart
with the record আর এই হলো a copy of the report be handed over to the learned advocate appearing
এই
for the
রিপোর্ট
petition.
দিয়েছে যেমন ইট হ্যাজ বি হ্যান্ডেড ওভার কাইন্ডলি রেকর্ড ডিপ